Hello everyone, and welcome for a new weekly overview. The last weekly overview was one of the best. Also, we had an amazing week. We had amazing results. هاي جميعا ويلكم للويكلي اوفرفيو. هذا الاسبوع كان اسبوع كثير حلو والنتائج تبعه كانت كثير حلوه. So let's see what we will have this week as opportunities. Many opportunities are ahead. Let's check about them. هذا الأسبوع في فرص كتيرة، خلينا نكون عم نشوفهم، عم نطلع عليهم، ونكون عم نقدر نستفيد من كل فرصة ممكن تكون قدامنا لحتى نقدر نكون عم نطلع ريزالت حلوة، ونكون الانكم تبعنا عم بيزيد، السكيلز أهم شيء والمهارات تبعنا عم بتزيد. The most important part is to increase our skills, to learn how to do these trades and to make it better. So let's go first for the next week, which will be the week of 27, I think. Yes, 27 as 27 Monday. Oh, I will have to filter this again. Okay, I will put these two. Okay, so Monday 20, Monday, no, this 25. Okay, so Monday 27, nothing big. 4:30 p.m. Dubai time. We have the core durable sales, nothing. So Tuesday, 6 p.m. USD CV consumer confidence. This might be good, but also we do not really affect it does not affect our trade during the live session because by that time we would have finished. 5:30 p.m. Euro GBP USD. We will have at the same time. Oh my God! At the same time, 5:30 p.m. Wednesday during our live session directly here in these timings are for Dubai. اوكي هاي الاوقات لدبي. So بنفس الوقت اللي نحن رح نكون عم نحكي عم نعمل تريدينج رح يكون عندنا يورو جي بي بي يو اس دي. The three, did they agree about this, guys? I don't know if they agree about going all together and to talk. ECB Draghi, Lagarde speaks. BOE, Bank of England, ECB, يعني European Central Bank, Bank of England Governor Bailey speaks, and Federal Reserve Chair Powell speaks. Three. Wow, this time the volatility will be huge, to be honest. So, of course, PCE, price, Thursday 30, and ISM manufacturing. Okay, so let's start, guys. Let's start with our studies. We'll start with the US 30, and as you can see, yesterday it closed the gap. This gap, the reason why we took the buy at the beginning, this was at the beginning of the week. Look, you have one candle, two candles, three candle, four candle, and the fifth candle. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And in 5 days, 1 week, CCI percentage are breaking up. Tuesday was the best buy, and we talked about this, especially in the Swiss Code session. So also thank you, Swiss Code, for sponsoring these live swing trade sessions, for giving us the opportunity also to give more and to update you guys with more insights on the market. And yesterday the gap was fully closed. You can see only by yesterday how much on Friday the market went up. It went almost 1000 pip. It was a crazy day. Now we put out the study. Now let's see what can happen. Look, it closed the gap. What can happen next? What can happen next? Now we have this resistance. I hardly believe that the market will keep moving up. ما بعتقد ابدا ان الماركت رح بيكمل طلعه بعد ما سكر الجاب دغري after having almost 1000 pip up in one day and almost closing at the high of the same candle. يعني I think should have a liquidity grab. We should have a move down, at least a wick down, maybe 100, 200 pips, I don't know, before resuming up for a clean traffic. Now you can see here we have a clean traffic candle until this level. So the market mainly, look, clean traffic up here, clean traffic down here. So it should be not that hard, even here, even here. So it should be not that hard to resume. But most probably, it should open, okay, make a wick down, and then start to push up, maybe in 1 day, maybe in 2 days, maybe in 3 days, I don't know. So of course we need to have this wick. Okay, before this. So we must see a certain wick. I don't know how much it can go down, but I must open, make a wick down, even if it opens and push up directly. Usually, because the momentum was super big, maybe on the market open in general, on Sunday night, we might see open and push up directly. So we cannot buy at this level. I need to wait a retracement maybe on Monday. مجبور انطر retracement. مش دغري اذا فتح الماركت طلع بدي انطر retracement تنان. And of course we'll update it. And then if it start to push up again, then my buy will be at or starting this level. Thirty-one 573, 31,233, but it's not the stop loss. We have to see. And for if I go for the buy, okay, if we have a wick down and I go for the buy will be like 31,575. Let's see, 31,575. Stop loss 31,000 for example, 475. TP1 85, TP2 31,722, TP3 31,930, and TP4 32,320. We have it all. For the reversal, and if we might have this reversal, this is critical. We need to break this support level on the 1 hour chart. يعني نحن بحاجة إنه نكسر هيدا السبورت level. We need to have this retracement. Look, we have CCI percentage R, and it will be the low of the previous candle also on the 4 hour and breaking down the CCI percentage R. So we need a wick up, and then the market should start pushing down. Until it reaches this level. So we have the sell around 31,270, البيع 31,270, stop loss 31,350, 31,350 stop loss, 31,260, of course 10 pips, this is the first sell, 31,225, TP1, 31,143, TP2, sorry, TP2, TP3, and 30,985 TP4. Let's go to gold. Gold. Let's see. Gold working in a certain stagnation so far. بيشتغل gold هون. We have this resistance. It's important. We had move down for the gold from 1870. Still ranging. The gold still ranging. We cannot say yet that يعني بعد ما فينا نقول بالجولد إنه نحن خلص عم ناخد trend. This range can vary because this is 1, 2. I don't know if it will be 3 and then move down. But of course, we need to check these levels. We need these levels. If it breaks, it opens, makes it up, and start to push down below this level. And if the gold breaks 18,000, let's keep it lower a bit. And it's 17,999. TP1 17,998, which is 10 pips. Stop loss 1807. TP1 will be 1790, almost, or 89, it will be 100 pip. TP2 will be 1770. this support level, this support level almost, okay, and TP3, TP4, TP4 will be 17, this support level, 3-2, 17, 3-2. On the other side, it can be also a double bottom, 1 and 2, and start to push up. This will give us the opportunity to have a buy. إذا كان عم بيعمل double top يعطينا الفرصة إنه نرجع ناخذ الباي نكمل طلع. So it will be 1882, 1883, let's say. Stop loss 1873, TP1 85, 84, TP2 1893, TP3 1911, and TP4 1940. We have all this move up, and maybe it will move more to 1994. Usually, the gold is waiting for a big, I don't know, financial crisis, crashes, something that to start being more or playing more the role of the safe haven, and people can start moving to gold. Also, we go to GBP, JPY, GJ, which is GJ. Let's see, GJ, as we were expecting last week, it started to push up. You know, it was Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it was moving up. It took the buy and went all the way up. The buy that we put, it was super amazing. The buy, I think it took TP2, and then it started to move down again. This is all the one way for me. It's still the bullish. It's still the one way for the wave 5. At this level, now it's creating a support level here. This is support level with the trend line. This is big. My concern or my idea, my analysis or forecast for GBP, okay, GPY. If it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up again, it should resume up. إذا فتح عمل wick down وكمل, it should resume up. It will be a correction and then it will keep moving up for the fifth wave. يعني بده يرجع يكمل طلعة يكمل طلوع. For me, a price action, look, we have a high, lower high with a reversal. If it opens, and always the condition that I need a wick down before it start to push up, I can take the buy then here at this level. My buy will be at the same last week. It will be 166.40, 50 TP1, then 166.93 TP2, 167.63 TP3, and 168.86 TP4. For me, this is a correction, having a support, and it should resume up. Of course, don't forget the risk management. Always the risk management system that I taught you. In case it didn't work in the same direction we go. And my stop loss should be around 165.95, almost all 166 stop loss. For the sell, if it breaks this support again, if it opens, make a small wick up without breaking this and start to move down, breaking this support, this means that we have high, lower high, and then lower high again, and it's breaking again for a new lower low. يعني بتكون عملت high, lower high, فتحت عملت wick up وعم تكمل نزله lower low جديد. So my sell will be 164.60, stop loss 64.85, 50 TP1, 63.97 TP2, 63.17 TP3, and of course the fourth wave 162.40, it will be TP4. US oil. Now we have the US oil. US oil, it made all the way down that you want. It made our TP. It was super amazing. Full TP4 with oil. Once it broke this level, which was the 108.17, pop, it went down all the way to 100. And it was amazing trade. let's start a new study, and this shows how much our weekly overview and our swing system is amazing. And don't forget, guys, if you want to trade swing, it will be super low spread and amazing to have your own bank, normal personal bank account with IBAN with Swissquote. Okay, so of course, under the agreement that we did with Swissquote to have our $50,000 account only for 1,000 and up for premium, prime, lower spread. So, and again, thanks to Swissquote for sponsoring all these live streams and live trading, because they really care about you guys making money, and of course, they also. So now we have a reversal. You have potential reversal on oil. If you can see CCI and William percentage R, we might have, if it breaks TCI especially, if it breaks, it will break when we break this resistance again, which is a very interesting resistance. Yesterday also it stopped. Look here, before we had this, and now we have this. So this shows how important will be this resistance, and that's why we will have this resistance. If it opens, makes a wick down, it should resume pushing up. Look, if it opens, makes a wick down and start pushing up again, we might have a clean traffic until this level. So the buy should be 109.00, 109.20 TP1, 10.37 TP2, 11.53 TP3, and 113.84 TP4 with a stop loss around 108.20. For the sell now, we have now a support formed. عندنا هلا support انعمل. We have a support formed. Now breaking the support will be interesting for a clean traffic down, almost for the previous candle. يكون عندنا traffic down. Look, it will be so interesting. Look, this will be the first support, potential support. So, sorry. One oh one point 36, 102.36 TP1, 101.26 TP2. Sorry, TP1. This is stop loss above 100.30 TP2. 99.18 TP3 and 96.15 90 TP4. It will be also very interesting. Now Bitcoin finally it started to push up again after the move down again for the sell that we had before. Now CCI percentage R breaking up, as you can see here, brought almost at 20,700. Now it's 21,500. It's still unstable. I will have to do a full study for this. So let's see. But after all this shoot down, we should have this resistance level, which is an interesting resistance level, and we should have this support level, which is also interesting support level. Why? Because breaking this 1, 2, 3 again, it should resume down again to the low, that already has been done. So what do we have here? Here, if we start to break up and we have TCI percentage R breaking up, this means that we might have a long position. We can start having the buy. Let me draw this. Okay, so 21,859, stop loss 21,552, TP1 20,060, TP3 23,000, and TP4 around 24,650 with a stop loss of 21,500. For the sell, if it breaks down this support, it should be 1959.4 sell, stop loss 19,900, TP1 19,462, 19,100 TP2, 18,570, 18,600 TP3, and 17 or 18,000. No, it will be 17,908 TP4. Now we go to Euro USD. Still ranging, no trade range, still ranging in the same range. I will not change the study. I still believe that it's ranging now. If it breaks 106.56 here, this support level that previously added, إذا كسرت هيدا الليفل هون 106.53 ستوب لوس 106.23 تي بي 1 0.663 تي بي 2 0.692 تي بي 3 0.739 وتي بي 4 0.780. On the same path, we need a break of this historical support 103.40 and TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and stop loss like the last week. So the euro for the buy and for the sell, for the stop loss and take profit is like the last week, nothing changed. But I think this week it will. Also for the GBP USD, same. The currencies, we didn't have a big move this week. It was almost stagnating at the same level. Also, we will be holding the same support and the same resistance with the same buy orders and sell orders. So the buy and the sell here below the support. If it break the support, which is interesting, then you might have the first sell for a quick fill and clean traffic. Also, if it break the big support, it should resume all the way down. On the other side, if it break the resistance here formed, which is a reversal up, it can be a start of a reversal up, then we will have the buy around 124.20, okay? AUD USD, oh, nothing for this for the currency this week. We will stick to the same levels. So also 0.7073, 0 for the buy, 0.6840 for the sell. We are still swinging in the middle for the up and for the down with their stop loss and their take profit. I think also NZD-USD, same for NZD-USD, same orders, 0.6397 almost, or 0.64, sell 0.6190, stop loss the same, TP1, TP2, TP3. Of course, if you want to know more the analysis, we can go back for the weekly overview last week. It's published on the Forex Space YouTube channel, and it's still here on the Telegram channel. You can scroll up and you can watch why did we put this. Let's hope this week will be a moving week for the currencies. It was a bit shy this week for the currencies. USD CHF also it broke down the USD CHF. It took the sell, it moved down. Now new support with the new clean traffic down. This to remove. The buy will remain the same because I need this retracement up. Look, William R already there, but there is no divergence, guys. في مشكلة ما في divergence. So if it open, makes it look up and start to push down, then we will have this sell. We'll be going for this sell. 0.95.16, 0.95.40, 0.94.63, 0.93.83. So we'll have the sell 0.95.16, stop loss 0.95.46, 0.95.06, 0.94.80, 0.94.21, and 0.93.81 the TPs. Of course, stop loss 0.95.42. And for the USD CAD, also, it didn't move up or down. It's still here, but it's getting close for the sell. So now if it opens, let's see on the 4-hour chart, almost double top. Almost double top. Oof. I think we are getting ready for the sell. We need an open for the candle. We need a wick up. And then if it start to push down, okay, maybe one candle, two candles, three candle, I don't know. Let's see what will happen. We have a clean traffic here. So this can be good. This clean traffic. This clean traffic. The sell should be 128.53, 128.83, 43 TP1, 128.16 TP2, 127.63 TP3, and 127.13 TP4. All the same like last week, not to change the numbers because it might vary a bit. يعني ممكن تغير شوي. You can check the order sheet that we send with this video. Also the buy around 130.87 and it start pushing up. Of course it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up. My recommendation, if it start to push up in the same candle breaking this resistance, I do not put this order. I would wait until it close, especially if it's almost very close to the market close of Monday. And we will have this with Swiss code session. It will open, I will wait until it close, open, makes a wick down, and start pushing up again to get the buy maybe on Tuesday. So I do not recommend for the buy one way up. Even if something happened and the market went up all the way, no worries. I can miss this trade, but not risking to lose. Okay, guys, this was the weekly overview for this week. Put the setups. What you have to do, اللي لازم تعملوه, هذا كان weekly overview. What you have to do is to put your setups on investing.com to save them daily, 4 hours or something. And then every day, only you need 15 minutes. You get back to these studies. You check what do I have to take or not. If they are getting near the support and resistance, if we have the wick or not. ما نتاكد عنا الويك ولا ما عنا الويك. عم بيقربوا على السبورت، عم بيقربوا على الريزيستنس، بدهم يكسروا ويطلعوا. سو كل يوم الصبح لما نعمل سيت اب على الانفستنج.com ساعتها بنقدر كل يوم نفوت ونشيك عليهم. بدها ربع ساعه على كل البارات. لاحظوا هلا الويكلي اوفر فيو قد ايه اخذ. اذا بتشيكوا بس تشيكي على كل البارات هيك هالقد، ربع ساعه الصبح، ربع ساعه عشيه، وديورينج اللايف سيشن ربع ساعه. then you will keep yourself updated with these currencies. ساعتها بتقدروا تاخذون نتفه مع الوقت. مش ضروري دغري اول ما نفتح الماركت نحطهم كلهم نقعد سهرانين كل الليل ناطرين شو رح يعمل. Hopefully this week will be also an amazing trading week for all of us, as it's been for the last few months, and we will get more and more, we will collect more and more pips together. Don't forget always to increase your skills in trading and focus on trading to be your first source of income, and then all the other parts. Thank you so much, guys. See you.